Welcome to the 98th edition of Pod Universal, India's first and leading pod magazine published by Prime Point Foundation. I am K. Srinivasan, editor of Pod Universal, welcoming you to this show. This foundation also publishes a corporate e-zine PR e-sense for the past 4 years, featuring one unique corporate theme every month. February 2010 issue of e-zine focuses on business communication. For this purpose, the foundation conducted an online survey to understand how techies and non-techies feel about the presentation skills. The respondents across the globe felt that 1. Stage fear, 2. Lack of self-confidence, 3. Lack of fluency, and 4. Lack of organizing the talk as the most challenging factors. Also, the survey revealed that in the recent years, even the techies are required to make presentations internally and externally, and they do not get adequate training support in this direction. This made Prime Point Foundation to devise a special module for one-day workshop on presentation skills. In this module, experts have developed 5 steps to improve the art of presentation to create a good impact on the audience with a systematic and scientific approach. The workshop will have 2 components. The first component is the lecture session on the concepts and the tips for scientific approach. The second component will have the presentations by the participants on a given theme, and it will be recorded on the video. The video will be played back and reviewed for improvement. When the foundation started implementing this module in some of the traditional or non-traditional companies, it had created enormous self-confidence on the participants, and they could also organize their official presentations in a scientific way. Presently, Prime Point Foundation offers this one-day workshop for traditional and new generation companies for technical and non-technical persons as an in-company program only. The companies can nominate up to 20 to 25 participants to be more effective and to get personal attention. Since the foundation is a non-profit public trust created with the motto, communicate the communication, the foundation wants to offer this workshop at a nominal cost for medium and small companies who otherwise may not have access to high-end workshops at low cost. If you need more details, you may contact the foundation through email at ceo@prpoint.com. You may also visit the site www.prpoint.com. They can also reach our mobile at 91766 50273. This is K. Srinivasan signing off from the show. Till we meet next, take care and bye.